Hello everyone. Welcome to the solution of LeetCode problem 783 named minimum distance between binary search tree nodes. In this problem, we are given a root of a binary search tree and we have to return the minimum difference between the values of any two different nodes in the tree. Now here, for this example, the root is 4. It has two children, which is 2 and 6. And for the root 2, it has two children, which is 1 and 3. So here, the minimum difference between 1 and 2 is 1, which is the minimum among all of the difference between the nodes. So we have to return 1. I hope you understood the problem statement. Now let's move on to the algorithm. Now, to solve this problem, we have taken this example. This is our binary tree. Or we can say that this is our binary search tree. Our root node is 4. Now, it has two children, 2 and 6. And 2 also has two children, which is 1 and 2. And 1 and 3. 1 and 3 are the leaf node because it does not have any other children here. So here, the algorithm is pretty simple. We will simply use the depth first search technique to solve this problem. At first, we will search all of the element and store the value into the vector. Now, suppose we are at this root 4, so we will store the value 4 here. From 4, we will go to the node 2, we will store 2 here. From 2, we will go to 1, so 1 will be stored here. From 1, we will go to 2, but 2 is already visited, so we will go to 3. Now, the DFS or the value 3 is stored here. Now, from this 3, we will again get back to 2. Now, again get back to 4, but 4 is also visited. Now, we will be at the element 6 or the node 6. Now, from the node 6, we will get back to 4 and it will return. Now, our vector contains the value 4 to 1, 3 and 6. Now, if we sort the element, it will become 1, 2, 3, 4 and 6. Now, here, we will calculate the difference of the element which are adjacent to each other. So the difference between 1 and 2 is 1. The difference between 2 and 3 is 1. The difference between 3 and 4 is 1. And the difference between 4 and 6 is 1. So the minimum of all of them is 1. So in this case, or in this problem, we can say that the difference of the minimum difference between two nodes is 1. I hope you understood the algorithm. Now let's move on to the code. In this problem, the code is pretty simple. At first, we are given a function named minimum difference in BST, which has a tree as a parameter. Now, we are recursively calling the DFS function. Now, in the DFS function, if the root is null, we have to simply return. Otherwise, we have to simply insert the root value. And if the left subtree exists, we have to recursively call the DFS function on the left subtree. Otherwise, we have to recursively call the DFS function on the right subtree if the right subtree exists. After that, we have to sort the vector which contains all of the node value and calculate the answer, which is the minimum of answer and difference between vector of I plus 1 with vector of I. Finally, we have to return the answer. I hope you understood the code. Thank you everyone for watching the video. We will get back soon with another LeetCode solution.